If you watch this video till then, you will get your X data into this format. You will get timestamp, date with actual time, link to that post, body text of tweets, who is the author, how many times a tweet is retweeted, how many times people replied to that, how many people liked it, and how many people quoted it. If the tweet has any hashtag, it will save in this column. Hi guys, this is Dr. Muhammad Awais and you're watching Dr. Square. Today we will walk you through a genuine legal and ethical method to save data from X, formerly Twitter, into Excel sheet with just a few clicks. With the rise of computational social science and data-driven research, scholars increasingly rely on structured social media data to explore public conversations and societal patterns. Whether you are conducting sentiment analysis, studying discourse dynamics, or building longitudinal datasets, exporting X data into Excel or CSV format makes it easier to organize, clean, and analyze it. This video is made to encourage the academic and ethical use of social media data, emphasizing methods that comply with platform terms of service and research norms without violating privacy or scraping rules. I have given a link in the description of this video. Visit the link just to know how you can use X data for your academic purposes. And by the way, if you want to cite a paper in which this tool is mentioned, you can cite my very recent paper. I have also given ready to copy citation in the description of this video. Be with me until the end of this video. Now let's get started. You should have Mozilla Firefox. If you don't have it, I have given a link to download it. It's just like another browser like Google Chrome. Once you have it installed, you have to download another file which ends with the .xpi. I have given the link of this file as well in the description of this video. Just hit at that link and you will get this xpi file downloaded. Once you download it, go back to your Mozilla, hit here, go to extensions and themes, and then hit this setting like button and hit install add-on from file. Select the path where you have saved that extension file .xpi. Select that file. Now it is ready to install. Hit add. Okay, if you want to pin this extension to toolbar, just select it and hit OK. You will see this icon here. Now I assume you are using Mozilla Firefox and you have this add-in installed. Now just open Twitter as you normally do. As you can see, I logged in with my credentials to my Twitter account and opened the X profile of Tom Cruise. Now what should be the next step? You don't need to give your credentials to this add-in or anyone. So the next step is hit add this extension add-on. You just need to turn this Twitter X on. That's it. Now when you go back to your X and refresh it, the same Tom Cruise profile is opened. But when you switch this tab, you will see 15 tweets have been downloaded. As you scroll down with your normal surfing, you will see the increase in the number of items. It means 26 tweets have been saved. If you scroll further down, you will see the increase in number. So 49 tweets have been downloaded. So as you scroll down, the tweets will automatically be saved. Let's assume you have done your scrolling. Now go back to this tab. 106 tweets have been saved. You need to download this .ndjson file. Download it. So you see this file is downloaded. Here is that file. Now you are one step away to get your Excel sheet. After downloading that ndjson file, you have to visit this link. I have given the URL in the description. So what you need to do is just drag and drop this file into this web page. And here you go. Now you have your CSV ready. Let's open and see what it has inside. So you have ID, timestamp, when it was uploaded, link to that, what was the subject, what was the body, and author full name, so many columns, how many times this tweet was retweeted, how many people replied to this tweet, how many likes were there, how many people quoted it. This is body text, the actual content of the tweet. By the way, if you struggle to read these columns, I advise you to open just one tweet. Let's select this one. So I copied the link and opened here. Always love the fun end. So I always love the fun end. So this is body text and other metadata is given here. So this is just a profile, right? Now how to get data from hashtag? Just search for that hashtag, go to top, latest, or people or media or whatever you want. I prefer to be at top. So if you see, these are the tweets mentioning this hashtag. Now go back to this tab. Delete the previous tweets because the previous tweets were about a profile, right? So delete them, refresh this page, the process begins again. So 19 tweets related to this hashtag have been saved. So as you scroll down, the tweets number will be increased, right? So same procedure, download.ndjson and then drag and drop here and get your CSV ready. And same applies to normal. So whatever you see here in your feed, you will get it in CSV. There is another thing that I want to share. If you hit at this three dots button, go to advanced search. Here these hashtags. Let's assume I want to get the tweets of hashtag Star Academy. Here down the road, you can get a date filter. So you can select your dates from this day to this day, right? So just apply it. Then you can only see tweets between those dates. And then save that file in ndjson format through this add-on, and then convert it through this website, and then get your CSV file. So you can see how simple it is to get your data from X into Excel in just a few clicks. The best part is that you did not have to share your login details or give credentials to any third party. This add-on handles the export process while you remain in control of your own account and activity. Now that you have the dataset, make sure you check the official X policy. I have given a link to that page in the description of this video. That resource explains how publicly available data can be used for academic and research purpose. Responsible use is the key. What we are doing here is limited to information that is already visible on the platform and accessed in a legal and ethical manner. If you need help beyond data collection, I also offer one-on-one guidance. I am a certified expert and trainer in NVivo and MaxQDA, and I support researchers working with R and Python for social media data analysis. So whether you are doing thematic analysis, text mining, sentiment analysis, or computational research, feel free to reach out. My email address is on the screen. Once again, this method is about saving only what is publicly and ethically accessible on X, nothing more. If you like this video, hit like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching this.